what kinds of exercises do you give people to do at home to improve joint position sense and or movement sense? I usually use a headlamp laser in clinic for the feedback, but I'm never sure on the best way to have them work on this at home. Thank you.
So if it's just joint position sense, then you can just get them to like put a blob of toothpaste where their nose is in the mirror, and then they close their eyes and they can do joint position error, come back, open their eyes and see if their nose is back on the toothpaste. And so they can use that as a tool. To do movement sense, you really do need a laser. You know, it's just too hard, and a headlamp is not going to cut it. So I think I sent a thing in the Google things of how I make lasers for the patients. So you can make one pretty cheaply for about $10. So you buy little lasers on eBay, a little plastic headband, and then a little cord clip so that you can rotate it and it holds the button down for them.